from a Marshall Islands perspective, that's insane. Like, we absolutely do not want people creating multiple entities just to do that. If at some point the US government or any government really wanted to, they just look at that scenario and say, you're just faking it. You just literally created one company completely owned by another company just so you could do this thing in one place instead of another place. It's clearly kind of trying to get around following the rules, or go to a place like the Marshall Islands where no, you're just allowed to do it. You have an entity in the Marshall Islands. That's the entity you actually own or govern. And that entity launches its token and does what it's going to do with its token. So there are some things that are not allowed. Today, we don't allow VASPs. And so VASPs are something that's defined differently in different places. That shouldn't automatically scare someone away. If the British Virgin Islands told you you're a VASP according to their laws, you still want to go look at the laws of the Marshall Islands. In the Marshall Islands, it really has to do with custody other people's virtual assets. So if you're like a bank or an exchange, that's what makes you a VASP.